Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing a particular challenge most people face when they are trying to do their Microsoft Power Apps Final challenge. Now I will be showing you quickly an Excel that looks like what you'll be given for your final challenge. Here it's a sample of what you can see in an Excel with different products, the product name, category list, and thereon. And then you have thumbnails or photo of the item which you have to display in your gallery. Now, in most cases, you always find it difficult because this image here, they are just giving you the names of the image, and you have to be able to put them somewhere to access them and also be able to link them within your Power App. So quickly, I'm going to be walking you through that so that you'll be able to link the products and the images within your Power Apps. So let's head over to the Power Platform now. Now in Power Platform, you come to your office, you come to your apps, then possibly you might want to do it in a table or in Dataverse. So we'll be clicking on tables. Once we click on tables, now you see you have the option to upload from an Excel. So I won't I'll just go with that. You could also create from blank. So once I do that now, so the table loads up here and it asks you to select the Excel. I already have that on my system. I'm just going to browse to it on my system, on my download. I click on open just to import it. Yeah, it's currently imported here. This is the list of all the items in that Excel I showed you earlier. Then I could just change my table name. I won't just want it to be table. We could change it to shoes, as the case may be. Shoes DB, shoes database, whatever you want to save it as. Then you see save. Click on save. Once you click on save, you click on create. Alright, now your table has shown on your Dataverse table. So what you can do is you can click on show more rows to see all the list of the all the columns in the table. You can scroll to your left, you see you have everything here. Now moving to our major challenge here is that we know that we always have this particular item or this particular item just given as the name and not the URL. So how can we get the URL of this? A quick way to go about it is that you can first of all kind of upload it to a source. In my own case, I'll be showing you the one I did. I uploaded it to my own blog site on the internet. I'll show you right now. All right, here, this is my own blog site where I already have some of the images. If you come to circle images, now you check on it, you click on it, you would see you have the images I already uploaded here. Now, how do you get this to work within uh, your Power Apps. Since you know that it's just the name from here. So quickly, I will go back to and click on the ribbon here. I want to create, go back to Power Apps. All right. Now in Power Apps, you click on Create. Then I want to create from a Dataverse table. Now I'll connect my Dataverse here. Then I would select ShoeDB, that is the name here. Then I'll click on connect, and now it's creating the Power Apps. Now I want to bring it to your notice that in your own case you might already start building your app in any case, but I'm just trying to do this from scratch. So in that case, what you just have to do, I would also show you just in a minute. Now if you already have your app running, and it is not that you're just creating on where it says at the top here, it says add data, then you could connect to which is in the Dataverse, or you could add a new connection. You could either create your table from here, or you add a new connection, a new connector, and add your table from there. But in my own case, I'm just creating from scratch, and now it has given me this particular view. So what I want you to see here is that this particular one, it's not showing the image. So I'm going to select this particular gallery. I would come to layout within the gallery tab. Then I want to select the one that has title, image, subtitle, and title. Once I click that, now if you notice here, the images currently are not showing up. They are not showing up because we don't have the code, or we don't have the statement for that. Now quickly, you know that anytime you want to show up, anytime you want to show an item or an entity within your Canvas app, you can click on the icon, then come to the FX bar. Then I'm going to clear that out. Then I'll paste what I copied. Now a quick one here is that you have to note what is the name of the column you want. Now if we come back to our Dataverse, the column name is thumbnails photo file name. In case you change yours, in case you change it to images, you change it to file, you change it to anything, image files, whatever you change it to, make sure that is the name you are going to enter into this particular spot within your Canvas app. Now what we're going to do is to come here, then type the code, which is this item dot, then don't forget to put in thumbnails as the name may come. Now once you type it in, it comes in this way. Then you have to put your codes there, because it's the entity. So once you do that now and you check, there's still nothing happening yet. Yes, there's still nothing happening yet. And you know that in your Dataverse table, the names of the items are there, but why it's not showing? Why is it not showing? Now you may ask yourself, you have to copy URL from a source to this particular place. So that brings me back here. Let's take for instance this bicycle. I can right click on it from my mouse, then copy image address, come to my data warehouse table, then here I will right click and try to paste that in. Now it pastes there. Then I can do that for all my entities depending on how on the items you want to copy. Then you paste that in. You double click and paste that in. Now you notice you are having a quick error here saying that row cannot be saved. Why? Is because possibly the length of the item you are pasting here, now that's the URL, it's too large. So how do you solve that? What you do is that you click here, you click on edit column. Now you come to advanced option. Here it says maximum of 100 characters. You can make that a maximum of 200, and then you say save. So once you do this, now that error won't show again. Okay, let's check it out one more time. If we go back to it now, it's not there, so we can just paste in our URLs now. Then we paste in another one, copy it too. So you can paste in that. Here, I think the characters we have here is more than maximum length exceeded. So I think we'll still have to increase that. So you come to more option. You can just make it 500 at max, so that you won't have any problem depending on the source. Some sources are shorter while some are longer, so depending on the source you are copying from. So that's the difference there. So you paste in this now. I don't think I will get that error again. You can also check the former one I pasted. You can double click here, then check the former one, paste it there, and like that. So now let's check out these two. You can make more copies, you can make more. Now you can always copy the individual image addresses, go to your dataverse, then replace them with the ones you copied. So Control A, Control V. Now once you do that, now dataverse automatically saves for you. So you have to come here now in your Canvas app. Now you come to this top side, the right hand side, you see where it says data. Then this is my dataverse. I want to refresh that. So once you refresh that, if I view in now, you will notice that I am seeing the images here. So if you also try to put that on a play mode, and you can see we have some that are already showing because I just filled some. So with this now, what you'll be able to do is that you can now show your images from the URL depending on where you uploaded it. In some cases, you might upload it to uh, other sources like Facebook, like uh, bloggers, like an open website, Pinterest. So all you just have to do is grab the image address. Once you grab it, you paste it here, and then you refresh your data source. With that, you have been able to solve that. Thank you very much, and I think I've solved that particular challenge. If you have any other challenge, let me know in the comment section. Do make sure you subscribe, like, and share for other videos. Thank you very much, and see you So